Ito ang view namin.
Hi, Mommy. Let's go inside. Go inside.
Uy, ano gawa ng baby dyan?
Hello,
ate.
this one. Like
Oh
this.
no. Uy, huwag masirain yan. Ate, baka masira.
But I'm killing the ants because the ants is so big. So that's why I...
Lower, ay, small bites. Cut, that's our view. Hi, Baguio. Good morning. Ang sarap.
Alexa.
Daddy! Come here. Thank you, Daddy.
Ay.
Daddy.
Ano yun?
Daddy, come
Bringing
here
us
with me.
here. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you for the money.
Ko yun. Ko yung may money.
You will give me money.
Okay, I'll work for it. Bumili na kayo guys sa SR.
Si Alex.
Uy.
Alex.
Ouch!
Cut it. This is our view.
Mommy,
Ano ginawa mo?
I slapped it with this.
Gross. This is our view.
Mommy, because I turned it around.
Si Ian. Ang view namin.
Look at this.
Shh ka dun. Parang view. Parang view. Joke. Ang beautiful view.
Alex.
Mga kids with outside with forest. Akala ko mountain yan, yung view. Mga forest lang pala.
Hey, come here. No, come here with the view. I'm just gonna wash my feet and go back here.
Okay, ano ma, ano ka na? Wait lang.
Let's make sure he is inside, okay?
Okay, baby. Day 3. Day 3. Po.
Come here. Oh my God!
Ay,
Come here.
wait lang.
Let's go. Eat.
Ay no, akyatan.
Let's come, Mommy.
Ang taas, grabe dun.
Let's come here. Come.
Grabe ang taas.
Mommy, don't this is how you might jump yourself
Daan si
over.
Kuya. Kami din ganyan. Grabe, ang daming
Mommy,
ganyan dito.
come.
Ang hirap. Yun lang mahirap dito, ang downside sa
Mommy, let's come
Baguio.
here.
Wait, baby. I'm just telling them a story.
Mommy, come here. I see something. Let's come.
Hello! Hello, baby! Sushi boy! Ayun dun. Where are you? Where are you, little man? Napogi ko,
Mommy, can I
boy.
come right now? I will
Sushi love. Wait lang. Kiss mo. Go.
So hi guys. Did you remember that we pictured with Pikachu and the dog and the horsey and we ride a boat? And did you remember? Oh wait, so we had the best day ever, and we are having the best day, and then we are having fun, so much fun, and Alex is here, and he is eating pita, but he yapping pita, but he didn't eat it, but he eat it because
So cute. Okay.
so we are so this is my baby brother Alex, and we are showing somewhere new. So we are gonna have a warm bath shower, but it's a shower, but it's so warm and hot, but it's not cold. But it can turn into cold and hot or warm.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Goodbye, guys. See you later.
So goodbye.
See you later.
Goodbye, see you later. Don't show.
So, hi guys. Ayan, morning na morning. So, kita niyo yung aking, mga marka pa ng pimples. So, yun nga, kagahapon, at saka maganda naman, sobrang enjoy namin. Yun nga lang, sobrang din ang gastos. So, iyak now, diba? Pay now, later. Utang, charot. Basta yun, masaya talaga yung kahapon namin. Sobrang nakakapagod lang, lalo pag ganito na, syempre kailangan nyo sulitin yung, punta nyo. So, lalo si Sammy, sobrang saya niya. Ang downside lang talaga is yung, talaga guys, parking at saka yung mga taxi, ganyan. Yung commute, yun, mahirap. Kasi, traffic din siya, halos saang pagpunta niya ng mga tourist spots. At saka, yung sa taxi guys, sobrang pila, lalo nung sa SM kami, grabe yung pila ng taxi, sa as in, para ka nasa ride, nagra-ride sa mga tapos sa car naman, nahirapan din kami, aside sa traffic, naubos yung oras namin sa traffic. Tapos, ang ginawa na lang namin, pag nata-traffic kami, nag-check kami ng malapit na pwede namin puntahan, na pwede, alam mo yun, mag-U-turn na lang para, bumalik, ganun. Tapos, punta kami sa ibang part na, ganun yung nangyari kahapon, kaya may napupuntahan naman kami. Pero yung mga itinerary namin, hindi na nasunod. Hindi na siya nasunod kahapon. So, yun. Tapos, yung kalsada, grabe talaga, puro mga pataas, puro mga paahon dito, everywhere, as in, lalo dito sa downside ng pinaganuhan namin. Pero maganda naman dito. Kung kinaya naman din ni Majesty. Yun nga lang yung daanan nila dito, lalo paggabi. Medyo scary siya. Tapos, sobrang paahon talaga. Tapos, ang taas pa niya. Hindi siya yung short lang na paahon. Ang haba ng paahon namin. Talagang para ka nang umaakit ng bundok. Tapos, dalawang ganun pa. Tapos, puro na ulit pa ganun short na pataas. As in, ganun yung daan dito. Yun nga lang downside. Di namin din alam. Pero maganda naman yung place. Ang ganda talaga ng place. And kami, aware kami na 30 minutes away siya doon sa mga tourist spots. Kasi syempre kung doon na lang kayo sa mga malalapit talaga na Airbnb tsaka hotel. Nangyari, 10 minutes, minsan 5 minutes walking nga lang, na. Okay lang naman. Kasi ganun yung ginawa namin ni Glenn nung kami pa lang, nung jowa pa lang kami. Nilalakad talaga lang namin lahat. Kasi yung namin is bed and breakfast lang na Ang ganda nga yung bed and breakfast. Ang social na ng nila ngayon. Parang hotel na. Diba? Dati magjowa pa lang kami. Ilang years na siguro yun. Basta yun. So ngayon, ito naman. Okay naman din to. Worth it naman. Kasi may car naman kami. Yun nga lang, medyo natatakot lang kami dun sa car, syempre. Kasi nga, lang siya, Wigo. Tapos, nabibaby kasi namin siya talaga. Hindi namin siya talaga inaano sa mga paahon. So, nung nandito na kami, nabigla kami na, paahon talaga siya. So, ayun, katakot. Pero, pero okay lang. Kasi nga, ayun, ito nga, yun, ang ganda na rin kasi ng view. Tsaka tahimik. Walang ingay. Kasi pag nandun ka din sa may city talaga, maingay din. Hindi peaceful yung morning. Ito ang ganda, relax ka. Hindi mo naisip na, magtutour pala kami, ganun. So, yun lang, chika ko lang, guys. Parang, hindi ko rin masabi kung okay na mag-bus na lang kayo, tapos mag-taxi, kasi nga, mauubos din yung time nyo sa mga traffic. Tapos, hindi kayo na parang risked nyo yung spot na pupuntahan nyo. Kagaya na gawa namin kahapon. Tsaka, sobrang tagal talaga. Ang ginawa kasi namin kahapon, diba, nag-park na lang kami sa Baguio para nga mag-taxi na lang kami. Kaso, nahirapan din kami hintay ng taxi. Naubos din oras namin kakaabang. Kakapara, may iba pa na hindi nagpapasakay. Yung gumaganon sila kasi ewan ko ba kung namimili ba basta nalaman nila yung pupuntahan, pero hindi naman malalayo, mga 5 minutes, 8 minutes lang naman, wala pang 5 minutes. So yun, Yun yung downside talaga pag nagbagyo kayo. Para kayong nasa pumipila sa rides sa mga amusement park. Ang tagal ng oras ng paghihintay nyo sa commute. Ayun lang. So, bawi naman yung ganong feeling namin. Dahil, excuse me. Dahil sa, dahil dito sa view. Maganda. Okay naman. Parang naging worth it. Yun lang. Thank you, Daddy, for our trip. Siya may gusto nitong Baguio eh. Ako gusto ko Ilocos. That's me. Favorite niya tong Baguio. And ayun na. Gastos now. Tiis later. Tipid later. So, yun lang. Yun lang. Na-chika ko lang sa inyo, guys. Sunod ulit. Bye!
Kumaliwa sa 233 Western Link Circumferential Road.
Strawberry Farm. Ayan, 1.5. Sayang, umulan. Pero it's okay. Hindi naman kami magpipiking. Daddy. Daddy is here. Yay! Yay! Hello, looks good on your Daddy. Yours looks good. Looks yummy. I'm jealous. This is mine. It's okay.
Isa classic, isa yung hazelnut.
It's okay.
Ito yata yung hazelnut.
You're, matamis? Masarap? Oh.
Baby kami.
May si Daddy muna. Daddy, you taste mine. Iba yung ano nila, kakaiba yung mahulog ah. Yummy? Yummy yung akin. Sarap. Makitang-kita ata yung reaction ko dito. Masyadong bakit? Kay Daddy. Yung kay Daddy kape talaga.
Ano guys,
Iba yung masarap. Kaiba ano yung tawag dyan? New, no? Bago. Sarap. Blend na blend. Sure. Akin. Hazel. Ano tawag ito, Daddy? Choco hazelnut latte. Sarap. Super sarap. May latte and choco. Hindi matapang yung hazelnut. Tsaka yung choco din.
So hi guys, I'm going to drink this, but it's so yummy. So hi guys, we're here to
Lower your voice. Hold the
So
camera.
hi guys.
Hold the camera. And then don't be so loud, okay?
Oh no.
Don't cover it.
So hi guys, we're here
Foam coffee.
Foam coffee. We're here to eat some coffee, and we are also here to eat some bread
Show
with
your food.
sugar. So my food is that is so funny. But I'll show you the other one. But I'll show you the other one, guys. So this one is the peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. So hi guys, this is strawberry and it's so yummy. So I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's so yummy. Yummers. Don't say yummers together. Yummers. Again. Yummers. No, you copy me so quickly. Yummers. Okay. Wait.
Tama na.
So hi.
Ligo siya. Ako na.
Ano isang cellphone mga kapicture?
Sige.
Yeah.
There's ate. Hi! Ayun na, nakaganyan siya, bebo. Sammy! Say hi! Hi! Like it? Yee! Dream come true na, baby! Sus! Feel na feel ng bata. Wala na. Sammy! like it? Eee. Ang cute. Si Alex. Paglaki mo na lang, Lex. Ha? Paglaki mo na lang, Lex. Did you see the horse? Huh? Horse? Nay! Nay! Where's the horsey? There's a lot of horse there. Horsey! Alam niya yan. Kilala niya yan eh. Alex! Where's the horse? Alex! Alex, where's the horse? Nay! Where's the horse? Alex! Hi! At Alex, hi, horsey! Hi! Hi, horsey! Bye! Bye, horsey! Huh? Bye, horsey! Where's the horsey? Hi, horsey! There, oh! There's the horsey! Hi! Hi, horsey! Hi, Dun, oh! Dun! Hi! Good job! Hi! Bye! Hey! Ate! Hi, ate! Riding the horsey! Ate is riding the horsey! Yay! Horsey! Bait ng mga horse.
Mami, gilid, gilid, gilid. Gilid, gilid, mami. Gilid, gilid.
Horsey! The horsey is there! The horsey! Hi, horsey! Hi! Hi, horsey! Say si ate! Wait, let's wait for ate. Let's wait for ate. There's si ate. Let's run with ate. Let's wait for ate. Let's wait. Let's wait.
Mami, ate, oh.
Ate, oh. Ate. Ate's running.
Papicture kasama si Alex.
Cute. Cute na sa. Yeah, dig, 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 dig. Yay. Okay na po. Pwede ba mag-picture? Mag-picture lang po.
Oh.
Bye bye.
Go. Wala.
Yeah, we will buy later.
Kaya nga eh. Ha?
talaga.
Pati sa kabila.
Oo.
Ngayon talaga.
Ito rin eh, malaki yung ano. Sige, doon na lang. Yan, Stobosa. Ano tawag dito, Beb? Valley of Colors. Yan. Wala kaming maparkingan. Ang hirap. Gandang. Meron pa pala sa pinakataas. Ang cute no, ang dami pala.
Daddy, can I open the window? I want to.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Yeah. All the houses are the same color. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Sabi, don't put your hand so ano ha.
Baka may makita pa tayong patigil.
Tulog tong isa. Oh.
Oh, more. Oh, it's only in the eyes. So hi guys, we're here to celebrate the Mwah.
Yeah. Bukas ang bag. Honey.
Hi. Let me show them me. Let me show them me. So hi guys.
It's only in night time that we do that. Na si Daddy o Ali crossing the Bagyo. Bagyo.
Alik. Alik.